How's it going, everyone? And welcome to Stokely Trades. So, this will be day one of me documenting my trading journey, where I'll be sharing my wins and losses and pretty much anything else trading related, Tuesday through Friday. And then, depending on how the week goes, I may also go over trades that I took more in depth on the weekends. So, getting that out of the way, let's start with what happened today. So, today was pretty boring. Price action was garbage, and I didn't really take anything, or I didn't take anything. For news, all we had was the consumer sentiment at 7, and then we have Trump speaking at 2:30. But by then, I'm not trading. So let's go into the charts. So pretty much, these are all the pairs that I'm looking at, and pretty much I was looking for the same thing on all of them. And I would say for pretty much all of them except Euro did what I wanted to a point. It just didn't give the price action for me to enter. So for Euro, I am bearish. So all I was looking for was a sweep of Asia, which it did, and then for it to give a schematic for me to take to target a new low. And all I did was sweep it and then just go down. So there's nothing for me to take. It did break this low, but it didn't give an entry, so there's really nothing. So that's for Euro. G, I was looking for the same thing. For it, once it broke this low, I wanted to mitigate this candle, sweep Asia, give a schematic, didn't go high enough, so my alert didn't even go off, so I didn't look at it. NU, same thing, broke this low, sweep of Asia, it broke it, came to this lower area, didn't give anything that I would have taken, so, and then at this time, it's just selling off. AU, it didn't break the low, so I didn't even look at it. It broke at 10, but by then I'm done. So AU, same thing, nothing. USD CAD is a little bit different because of the war going on. I am bearish on the USD CAD just because of the oil problems. So I wanted it to come a little bit higher, but I mean, it's not really. There's nothing for me to take. I guess if it would have broke this low, I would have wanted to sweep Asia for me to take it lower, but it just kept going higher, but which is fine because I want to take something up here since we're in this leg right here. And then UCHEF, same thing. I'm just looking for it to mitigate this area. So I want it to come a little bit higher. So I have my alert a little bit around the 800.8 level. And yeah, just gave absolutely nothing. So moving on to indices. So I'm also bearish on the S&P, NASDAQ, and US 30. Same thing with like the rest of the like Euro and GU and all the other ones. Just looking for it to sweep Asia, give a schematic up here for me to take lower, but it just kept selling off. And then this price action again is just pretty garbage. So there's nothing to take. It's pretty much all of the same thing that happened on NAS and US 30. It's just nothing. It's just a straight sell off. So it did create a new leg, so I wanted to mitigate this area up here, these areas up here, but that's a play for next week. So I'm gonna have to wait a bit. Same thing with US 30. Made a new low, so I'm looking for it to mitigate it up here, but yeah, none of that's gonna happen today. So I'll just have to wait till Tuesday when I'll upload day 2. So yeah, again, today was pretty boring. There's nothing, no price action that I liked that I wanted to put risk on. So hopefully it does what I wanted to do next week, and then also share all the trades that I take if it does. So yeah, that's it for day 1, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday for day 2. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys then.